welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that post notification bell so that you do not miss an upload when I post a video and you're not tardy to the party. So as you guys have seen from my last vlog on my pantry update, I am prepping for the new year. I like to start off with a clean and decluttered house going into the new year. So I'm also finishing up this project that I started when we first moved in, which is my laundry room. I'm going to take you guys all the way from the beginning to how we got here, but I'm going to bring you guys along with me to see exactly how I accomplished what I did. It was strictly a DIY project. I definitely learned a lot along the way, so hopefully this will inspire you in some type of way if you're planning on upgrading your laundry room. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So today's project I'm going to start on is going to be the laundry room. I've already cleared everything that was in there out, and yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along the ride for just kind of zhuzhing it up in here a little bit, making it more functional and organized. So stay tuned. Got one panel up, probably about 3 more to go. Peels and stick is super easy. This is what I purchased. They have a ton of different designs. Purchased off of Amazon, and I will link it down below for you guys if you are interested in purchasing. The roll that it comes in is pretty large. Just wrapped on the first row. It's not bad. It's only been like 20 minutes. The hardest part, I don't want to unplug this stuff, so I'm maneuvering around it. But this is all the first row, so I am going to have to go ahead and open up the second pack to finish just that little corner, and possibly over here. I wanted to try to fit some type of storage situation, which is why I didn't do over here yet, and we're gonna try to knock this out and hopefully get some type of storage in here, because this house only has like 2 hall closets and we have a lot of stuff coming from our previous house. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update, and I'm gonna get that knocked out. I should have painted first over here, but I really want to go ahead and get these shelves up so I can get these boxes unpacked that are supposed to be. This is full of laundry stuff, baskets, boards, all this stuff needs to get out of the way. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and get this up, to get the shelves up and get this taken care of. But if you are doing this, I would recommend painting these walls first, that you're not going to be putting any type of paper on. So yeah, stay tuned. The third piece is up and it's all complete. Not bad. I just have a few bubbles like right there that I need to finish smoothing out. It was hard getting in the corner with the situation. But yeah, so I'll smooth those out as I put my shelves up. Quick update, I got the first floating shelf up. Babe had to help me, but these floating shelves are super sturdy. I had them in Dakota's room as well as in my office back at the house, a total of 3. So I'm just going to transfer them here. And I'm going to try to do 3 rows if I can. And these are the shelves I'm using here. They have them in different lengths. This one is like really long if I back up so you can see. So this one is super long. I got them from IKEA. I think they're lac shelves. They have different sizes. And then all you have to do is mount this part here. This part comes out here, and then you mount it on the wall, and then you just slide the shelf onto it. I'll show you guys. All right, so babe has left me, so I'm all on my own, guys. So what I've done right now is I have measured off where it could be just about even for the next 2 shelves to go. And I put like little markers. You can see one right there, very small. So I'm gonna take the black piece I showed you guys earlier that's inside out, line it up, and try my best to keep it balanced to get the base on so I can slide the board on, but stay tuned. All right guys, so this is how the bar looks once you get it on. All right guys, just a quick update. This is the end of day 1 working on this. It is definitely functional now, so I can move on to getting another area of the house set up. If you remember earlier, I told you guys that if you were going to this, that you should definitely paint. I found this picture they stuffed in my laundry box. It matches like the woven on the net that we were using for clothes at the other house, and then I found this rug from Dakota's birthday party that kind of ties in with the wicker basket here, and then also with the wood on here. So it's kind of like a rustic type laundry room. I do want to get some signage, but of course this vlog will continue on until it is completed. Just wanted to give you guys an update on how the shelving looks. Hey y'all, so we made it to Lowe's. Hey guys, it's been a while. So I am officially, you gotta come closer, baby. Come over here on this side. I'm officially back working on the laundry room. So we just got back from, I went to IKEA. I got this pack system that I'm gonna put in the laundry room. I'm gonna show you guys. It's still the same from when you guys last saw it. So I'm gonna get this pack system to fill in the gap. About to do some demolition. Babe told me if I hit that thing in there with a hammer a couple times that it should come up fairly easy for me. So that's what I'm about to do. It's a mess in here. So this is what's going on, guys. It's been months. So last time you guys saw, all I did was the shelving. I put that partial wall of wallpaper up just because I was trying to get the house somewhat organized. But what's been going on is all this stuff has been sitting out on this counter here, which really isn't doing much. And so what I want to do now is use this hammer, try to get this out. I hit it a few times before I left and it looked like it was definitely loosening up. And then I'm gonna get this all put together. You guys see what that look like once I do it. And it should fit perfectly in this gap here. It's gonna come out to about the edge of this. We have no idea what this is. If anybody in the comments knows, let me know. But we're basically gonna use that so we'll have some organization to put all of this stuff in. These baskets should be able to slide in. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and paint the walls, which is what I should have done first. But because I was trying to just get everything in here and out off of the floor and out of the way, I didn't paint. So it's like a tan color, which is what originally the whole house was. This kind of just got hung in here because I had nowhere else to put it. But I'm gonna paint in here white. And depending on how much paper I do, I might extend the paper out to this wall so that all I have to do is just paint this one wall white. But yeah, you guys stay tuned and come along with your girl. There goes nothing. Quick update, I got the frame for the storage put on, and as I said, it fit perfectly in this space. Only thing I didn't plan out was the border that's along there, but I mean, I'll figure that out later. Easily slides out, but yeah. And I have to add some more paper, wallpaper in this little space here, but it's looking good. And so what I love about this IKEA storage option is the fact that you can build it out exactly how you want. They have different baskets, drawers, hanging hardware, and I also have a door that'll go in here that you guys will see later, but you can customize this exactly how you want. This is the same system that people use when they do the custom IKEA closets. I just use the singular one for this corner here, so stay tuned to see how it comes out. So I got 3 shelves and 2 drawers, some hangers, as well as a little bar to put the hangers on for the inside of mine. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out. I got the hangers up here for hanging, as I stated earlier. I have 2 drawers and then a shelf, just a small area to stick randomness if needed, and then a laundry basket down here on the bottom. This is the door that I got for it. Super cute. Very nice. I'm gonna let Babe put that up when he gets home. I'm not even gonna try. I might. But I think I'm gonna save that for him when he gets home. And then the hinges are separate. And then I got this knob out of Home Depot when we went in there today to add on for, it's like a, you know, the pull for the door. So I'm gonna let Babe do all this stuff. I can't wait for him to see. He's gonna be so proud that I did this demolition and stuff, y'all, by myself. But yeah, I will check back in with you guys. We're gonna be doing a table to go on top of here, a DIY table. It's gonna come down on the side. So when Babe is definitely doing that part, so once he gets started on that, I will definitely check back in with you guys to finish off this vlog and the decor in the laundry room. And then I also have to, like I said, I think I want to paint this white or either wallpaper it all the way around. Probably have to order some more to do that, but I'll let you guys will see what I decide at the end, so stay tuned. Laundry room update. So Babe is in here working on my table. It's looking so good so far.
Hi.
I'll show you guys more of it when he is. You heard someone, Dad say hi. Dad say hi. That's right, Stinky. But I'll show you guys more of it when he gets a little further along. And good morning, it's the next day. I had to come out and get something to start painting. I was gonna stain the table, but then my mom and Kelvin both said that they think it would be a good idea to do it white since the shelving in there is white. So I got the kilts. I already have white paint at home, which I may need more because I'm also painting the walls white. But now I'm just gonna look for a brush and made it back home. And I know I'm looking crazy, but I'm about to paint my laundry room table. So guys, I was going back and forth about whether or not I wanted to actually do stain or if I wanted to paint it white. I showed it to my mommy yesterday and she said that she thinks that I should do white because these are white and then my storage unit you guys saw me put together is white. So she thought it would be fitting for this table to be white. And I didn't show you guys how Kevin put it together because he decided to randomly start doing it and I was like, what is that noise? And I realized he was already working on it. But a piece of wood here, and then this end has a piece of wood. This is like a leg on this side. We just pretty much put the 2x4s along the outskirts of this. You can see one here, and that's what's aligning it up all the way across here. And then when it comes over on this side, it's just standing up like a table. So I went in Lowe's, I grabbed some kilts. I ended up getting this one, which is the heavy duty high hide sealer and stain blocker. I got this one because it's mildew resistant, and I figured that would be good for, even because this is in the laundry room, so I thought it would be good that just in case any moisture hit it, it wouldn't like mess up the wood. I also picked up some trim, and I'm gonna get all this stuff. I think Babe needs to put this on before I start painting. Babe! So I'm gonna have him do the trim, put that on, and so I can start painting. I'll be back. All right guys, quick update. She's white. So this is just one coat of the kilts here that I told you guys I was using. I've done one coat of that. I wish I had painted this before he put it up, but I had no idea I wanted white. She's not perfect. This is our first time doing anything like this, so, but she looks good, y'all. Now I have to paint the walls white. I have to take this down and get my walls painted. All right guys, quick update. Walls have the first coat of paint on them all the way around. And this is how it turned out, guys. And then on the other side, I still have this map up because I haven't found the perfect picture, but I do want to change that out and add a pop of color in here. Then underneath the picture, I have a bench, just for kind of, you know, sitting down. It also is good for storage. I can sort my clothes out on the table and sit down and fold them here. That way I can ensure that my laundry gets done, because I will let that pile up very fast. And then the laundry will go in this basket down here on the bottom. That way once this is full, it will be sorted and washed that's all, guys. Once I make any new changes, I will definitely keep you guys updated on my Instagram page. Once I find the perfect picture that will help inspire my lighting, as well as any type of rugs that I will put on the floor. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of how I updated my laundry room in case someone was wanting to do some changes to theirs. I also, normally around this time of year on my channel, I like to do a giveaway. This year I want to offer you guys something super cool. This year I planned on starting to do one-on-ones for you guys who are interested in learning the art of balloon design. I was going to teach you the Keisha way, but because of the pandemic, I didn't get an opportunity to do so. So what I would like to do is offer a virtual one-on-one for walking you through how to do event design with balloons. So this can be for anyone. You don't have to be an event planner to take advantage of this, or a balloon designer. This could be for the mom who has their child's birthday party coming up next year and they want to buy balloons but don't know where to get started. I will help walk you through that for the party. Or if you are an event designer and you kind of have the basics, you just want to have a talk with me as far as what you need to do. I can watch your technique, that type of thing. So it doesn't just have to be for event planning, it's just gonna be for anyone. If you want to enter into this giveaway, I will have the rules for you down in the description box, just to make sure that what I'm saying here doesn't get misconstrued or misunderstood. So definitely check down in the description box.